This video is sponsored by Noregon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit Noregon.com to learn more.
See, here are our engine related service events. We've matched them up with fault codes here. The software tells us the severity, as you know. But what we're starting to try to do is collect as much service information as we can so that we can start seeing patterns and run predictive algorithms.
So you mean you'll be able to, what, repair something before it breaks?
Yeah, like look here.
It was like the 5th time you've done that. If only we could have predicted it.
You know, I used to have a coworker that could.
Who is he talking about? He didn't mean that his former coworker would actually catch his coffee or something. Did he?
Hi everyone, welcome to FE's Data Center, the series that aims to make truck data approachable. I'm Jason.
And I'm Tess.
And today we are going to talk about
predictive maintenance.
I see what you did there. So if you're so smart, what was I going to say next?
I predict that you were going to give us an overview of predictive truck maintenance.
Oh, well then go for it.
Fault code and related service information has been flowing off of trucks for years, and truck technology companies have been hard at work developing algorithms that delve into the data and the patterns in truck component failures. Using sophisticated probabilities, truck service technology is quickly approaching the point where it can offer predictive repair suggestions.
Well, fun theory, but there's the old adage, if it isn't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah. But if you could, I don't know, say replace a truck component while it's in the shop already for maintenance, wouldn't you want to do that?
I mean, instead of like a costly roadside breakdown.
Yeah, I mean, predictive maintenance will basically offer you that choice.
That's true, I guess I'd do that.
Let's connect with our Noregon Pro for more tips on how to use and trust upcoming predictive maintenance solutions.
Current predictive maintenance landscape is scattered with all kinds of different approaches set out to achieve the common goal of being able to predict a failure before it happens. There's lots that go into to being able to provide a service like that. The two most important parts are data and individuals with experience. The types of data that go into doing something like that are, a large portion of it is vehicle data. So, sensor values and parameters, fault code, counts, occurrences, even their descriptions and definitions. But in-shop portions of the data are very important as well, such as, vehicle repair histories, maintenance records, things like that. Most of the data is used to analyze what happens up to and before a failure occurs, and the other portions of that data are used to learn about what happens after a failure has occurred and what types of parts and things have been repaired on the vehicle. You take all that data together and analyze it in a large enough data set to try to reveal patterns and things that could be actionable out of that data.
So, do you feel better about using and trusting predictive maintenance solutions?
What's your prediction?
I think we'll have to find out next time. Thanks for watching.